Hello friends, welcome to REVERT Hair Clinic YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Amit Singh and I'm a hair transplant surgeon based in Dehradun. REVERT Hair Transplant Center is the name of my clinic and I have been doing hair transplant in Dehradun since the last 9 years. Today the topic for discussion is what is feather touch hair transplant and why is it considered the best hair transplant technique. To start the topic, I would like to start by saying what was the old method of doing a hair transplant. In the old or the traditional method, the individual hair roots used to be held by forceps, and with the help of that forceps the hair root used to be put in the pre-made slit. By holding the hair root with the help of that forceps, around 20% of the hair roots used to get damaged while putting them into that slit, because holding them with forceps used to lead to extra manipulation. Some roots used to get bent, and that leads to overall poor result and poor growth of hair roots. The surgical techniques gets improved in the subsequent years, and presently the latest technique for doing hair transplant is called DHI. DHI stands for direct hair implantation. Feather touch technique is a minor modification of DHI technique only. In this technique, we are using special instruments which are called implanters to hold and the hair roots and implanting them. Implanter is a pen type instrument. The individual hair roots are put inside that implanter, and that implanter is taken to that pre-made slit, and just like pen have a pusher above it, that pusher, with the help of that pusher, the individual roots are just pushed into the slit without holding them or without manipulating much manipulation. So this leads to minimum damage of the root while implanting, which leads to the maximum survival of hair roots. We at REVERT have around 95 to 99% survival of hair roots. We do all our hair transplant procedures by DHI or feather touch hair transplant technique only, and we make sure that the maximum hair roots are implanted and majority of hair roots survive and grow ultimately. So presently DHI is considered to be the latest and the best technique. It is a faster technique, it is a safer technique, which leads to good results in the final picture. So if you're planning to get your hair transplant, make sure get it done by DHI technique only. I'm sure you will find this information useful. If you want further information regarding various hair transplant and hair loss treatment procedures, you can subscribe to our channel, or if you have some specific query, you can send that query through our WhatsApp. We are displaying our WhatsApp in this video. You can note down the number, and whenever or whatever query you are having, you can send the query to us. This is Dr. Amit Singh signing off.